Inside Out 2 has debuted with an astounding $155 million in the US, making it the second biggest animated release in history. Globally, the film grossed $300 million in its first weekend. This success marks a significant comeback for Disney and Pixar, showing their resilience post-pandemic. Notably, this is the first film since Barbie to surpass $100 million in its first week. Paul Dergrabigian from ComScore calls this a clear win for cinemas and a major victory for Pixar. The success is even more critical in a year where ticket sales have dropped significantly. Inside Out 2 is now Pixar's fifth film to break the $100 million mark in its opening and ranks as their second biggest debut, only behind The Incredibles 2. Looking ahead, the box office remains hopeful with big releases like Deadpool and Wolverine, Beetlejuice, and Joker, Foley are ducks set to hit theaters. As the year progresses, we anticipate more blockbuster hits, with Inside Out 2 leading the way in revitalizing the box office.